In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix 0x800701B1 error on Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7. First thing, go to CMD, right click, run as administrator, click OK, type in sfc/scan now. Press enter, wait for a few minutes, and once it's done, you can close this down. Now you want to go to disk management. So you will go to create and format hard disk partitions. This is basically the same as disk management. And here you want to wait for a few minutes. As you can see, once this one loads up, you want to go to action and you want to go to rescan disks. Click rescan disks. So once you rescan the disks, close this down, go to device manager, device manager, and here you want to go to disk drives. So this is the drivers for the disk drives. What you want to do is you want to update them. Make sure they are all on the latest update. So to update, simply right click update driver, and here you want to find the latest version, or if you want, you can just right click update and search automatically for the latest driver. Once you update them, you want to make sure you restart your computer and you're done.